Hi guys, welcome back to another video and a very special video because finally the L case of 2025 L case mainlines have come to India, and you can see that this has been imported in July itself. It says 7. So let's just quickly go ahead and unbox this. It has a lot of exciting cars. The recent cases, they have been amazing, as we have already been seeing. So as we open up this case, you know the traditional arrangement which all the Hot Wheels cases have: 36 up top, 36 at the bottom. We can see some exciting ones up top. Let's start with the first one. It's this fantasy casting called Slide Kick. Looks quite cool. Really love the color of that. Then the second one is a popular one from the last case. It's the custom Ford Mustang. After that, one of the most popular ones from this case, this is the Tesla Cyber Quad, new color. I think this was in the D case also, but different color. Then we've got a Fantasy Revenger ST. We've seen a few colors of these over the last year and so. Then the Volkswagen T3 Custom, again from the last case. We've got the Dodge Viper SRT. So this is a new one. So new one for this case. We saw the different color, like blue on white, we saw a couple of cases back. After this, we've got the Kia EV6 Custom. This is also a new one for this case. A couple of fantasies. This one is called Futurismo. This is the Dune It Up. After this, again another Kia EV6 Custom. Wow, a double already. McLaren Speedtail, which was the STH for the last case, and this is the Speed Driver, which is a Tooligan kind of casting. You can use that as a spanner. And after that, we've got a new fantasy for 2025, which is Slide Burn. And after this, again a repeat, which is the Ford Mustang, the custom Ford Mustang. So we've seen the second one for this case, and the Defender 90, which is also from the last case. Really love the color on that. After that, we've got another Speedtail, again a repeat from the last case, a Batman Arkham Batmobile, and the King Cuda. So this is a new one for this case. Really bright green, beautiful color. Lotus Cortina, new casting for 2025. This new one for this case also. After this, we've got a super futuristic fantasy, the RD06, and one more Land Rover Defender 90 from the last case. In case you have missed out on the K case, I think this is a great opportunity to get these cars, like this Pontiac Aztek Custom, very Breaking Badish color scheme. Then this is the Lil Rover. This was also there in the last case. And the Audi 90 Quattro. So this was also there in the last case. So a lot of the repeats we are seeing here. Another Revenger ST. This is a new one for this case. This is the Chevy Blazer Custom, very cool truck. And another T3 Custom from the last case. So this is a new one for this case. This is the Subaru BRZ. Gotta love this particular casting, and the color scheme is also very nice, neat and clean. Futuristic fantasy, the Crescendo. And then we've got a funny fantasy, which is this, the Gotta Go, which is like a toilet shaped as a Hot Wheels. So very popular among gifting and all. Then we come on to this. This is another Slide Burn, which I showed you. Then this is another Batman Arkham Batmobile, and this is the Street Wiener from the Fast Foodie series. After that, we come on to this. This is a new one. This is, I think, the Mod Mill from 2025, a fantasy. After that, a recolor of the tuned LBWK RX3 Mazda and another Batmobile. Done with the top half, we move to the bottom now with this amazing Ford Escort in purple, which is one of the most popular castings from this particular case. Then after that, we've got another exciting one, which is the Buick Riviera in black, a new casting for 2025. And we've got another Lil Rover. To me, this particular casting looks like a Mini Cooper was modified to go in a Dakar rally or something like that. Let me know what are your thoughts. Another fantasy casting known as the Blitz Speeder. And after that, we've got one of the most popular ones from this case, the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. We all remember how popular this casting was when it came out last year in blue, and this is a recolor. And a Porsche 904 Carrera GTS in black. So that is also a great one. Then another Lotus Cortina, which is a new one for this case. Another Breaking Badish Pontiac Aztek Custom. This is from the last case. And then we've got another fantasy known as the Drift Ender, which sounds like a pun made of Defender. Coming on to the next few cars, we've got this Dodge Coronet Super B, black and yellow, beautiful. Then we've got the Terratractyl fantasy, and a NASCAR inspired fantasy, the Stock Car. Still, we have not been able to see some of the best cars from this case. We are just waiting for them. We've got another Dodge Coronet Super B, Then we've got this fantasy known as Aerodynamic, and we've got another Audi 90 Quattro. And just as we mentioned it, we've got the most special car of this case definitely, which everyone is excited for. This is the Ferrari 365 GTB4 Competizione, the third car in the mainline series of Hot Wheels and Ferrari partnership. Even though many people do not know about this car, I am sure they are excited to scalp it and sell it later at expensive rates. Among the last couple of cars which we have got in this case, we have got this Honda Civic Custom, which is a beautiful one, and the TH of this case, which is the Honda S800 Racing. After this, we've got a couple of very nice ones from the last case, like the 70 Plymouth Superbird, the art car, and after that we've got the Honda Civic Custom blue and red, really nice from the last case. After this, we've got not one but two iconic Italians, the Ferrari 365 GTB4, which we saw earlier, which is new for this case, and then the most hyped one probably from the last case, which was the Ferrari F40. So we get to see the carry forward in this case. This one is a quick chat or something. It's a fantasy casting. I'm not really sure what it's about. It's like a Joker car. Then we've got this lime green Honda Civic EF. After that, the Bugatti EB110, which is the STH of this case. A nice pair of fantasies. First up, we've got the Monty Racer, and then we've got another quick chat. So the Joker car, or however you want to call it. After that, we've got another one of the most hyped ones from this case. This is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS in this pink color. Easily one of the most popular ones from this case. And then another F40 from the previous case, which has been carry forwarded. So a good chance to get these if you have not found them earlier. This is another Mod Mill, the fantasy which we saw. A flippin' fast. This is like a fidget spinner kind of a Hot Wheels fantasy. And last, we've got the Monster Dairy Delivery, and the elder brother of the small block. This one is the long block, a new casting for 2025. This lime green Honda Civic EF from the last case, and also this Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super. When we unboxed the K case, that time we had not found the TH inside it, which was the Chevrolet. But apart from that, it's been a nice experience unboxing it and showing it to you all. How many of these have you been able to find so far, or which ones do you plan to get? Let me know all of that in the comments. Thanks for watching.